He's got longer arms. He's closer to the target.
Oh!
That's it. That's dead right.
Look at that.
Look at that nice little line.
That is a scary piece of code.
Fuck, is it what?
Imagine been down the far end.
Speaking of which, we got something to loop and hold.
Why?
I would see you down there, you could hold it out.
Yeah! I can do that. Okay, this officially scares the fuck out of me. Yeah, girl.
Boomstick. Jesus.
I mean, I think we're getting an air gun.
Jesus Christ.
What's that?
Jesus
It's a Desert Eagle. Yeah, United States military issue for officers and... Really?
Even having that as a sidearm.
But I mean, even the spring on the clip's really strong,
It's
you
for
know.
when your men refuse to charge.
So I presume that's pretty good shots.
Have you watched the news lately? They shoot you just a little. Go for it, Corey.
Nice ground shots, bro.
Yeah. Like I say, I could only see about a metre past the end of the gun anyway.
Good on you, went for it.
Like I say, I'm not into guns.
Doesn't look
2 hours
it.
ago.
Doesn't
Like
look it.
Look back. Look back. He got me back.
You got him right.
Do you have anything to say, Luke?
I like New Zealand very, very much.
Yeah. Go on, Luke, say it. Say
What? No.
it. Go on.
Go on, say it. Happy toes.
I've never said it. It's never going to be said.
Squeeze around off and go fiddly potatoes for me. The other day, I was just reaching for the speaker button when he goes, we were at the bay. He's like, is Corey and Eve? Peter was sitting beside me, sitting at his desk. So I was just going for the speaker button. I was like, no. He's like, nah, goodbye. Oh, you bastard.
Yeah, that was bad.
Trying to get him to say fiddly potatoes. He won't do it.
He will.
The other day, he said it on the phone.
No, I didn't.
And it denied all knowledge. He's like, nah, I never said that.
Yeah, it's going to be done with a little jig as well. I don't see anything.
Anything to say?
Let the Irishman get me.
Every time, right?
Yep.
Watch the paper targets on the wall here. You guys.